Alright, I'm out here at my, basically, relay case. This is the power off lights. That has nothing to do with it. I have an Fn-16 now, but I dropped it, and the glass broke. So I salvaged what I could. This is it right here. It's a nice even flash, right? Anyways, this is a short little video saying that I have an Fn-16A now. So I'm actually about to starting to get late, so I'm getting ready to go in the house. I hate this lock. Well, I dislike this lock. That's better. Also, firework. Alright, that's it for the video. Thank you guys very much for watching.